Dr. Althea Rapid Firm Sculpting Cream is a standout in the realm of anti-aging skincare. This cream delivers impressive benefits for anyone concerned with skin elasticity and wrinkles, especially on the face and neck. One of its star ingredients is Edelweiss extract, sourced from Korea, which acts as a natural anti-aging agent. This extract doesn't just make the skin appear youthful, but also works at a deeper level to restore inner skin tissues to their original state. The inclusion of salmon egg extract and peptides further enhances its regenerative properties, aiding in skin cell regeneration and tightening. The cream also excels in hydration, thanks to ingredients like hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, which deeply moisturizes the skin. This makes it particularly beneficial for tired, withering skin, offering both rich nutrition and hydration. Over time, users will notice a reduction in the depth of deep wrinkles and a decrease in the visibility of smaller wrinkle networks. The overall skin tone improves, becoming brighter and more uniform without any dullness. Key ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, peptides, collagen, and allantoin work synergistically to smooth the skin, provide a visible lifting effect, and impart a healthy-looking glow. The cream also stimulates the synthesis of collagen and elastin while combating free radicals, thus preventing unwanted pigmentation. Regular use of this cream tightens the facial contour, reduces the appearance of swelling, and evens out skin tone. It has an elastic consistency that spreads easily and absorbs quickly, leaving a comfortable, lightly moist finish. Overall, Dr. Althea Rapid Firm Sculpting Cream is an excellent choice for those looking to rejuvenate their skin and combat the signs of aging. Its potent mix of natural and scientifically backed ingredients ensures both immediate and long-term benefits, making it a valuable addition to any skincare routine.